Neymar asaku prebium na obemesi omo first game ni Morocco no na ohwe video amebeye fa Neymar wa me catch them say a time and chances in this life obi abenya ne fair share but o time draw no make impact and a good use for time and opportunity because nature won't give you extra time. A man of football here Neymar pa na universe here Neymar pa say on deliver no now what the time not or the chilling and an sister baby and in some hunu satam na football here Neymar pa and nay Neymar here football pa oh the listen to me put your head down. Universe won't give you extra time. I'm telling you the honesty. So what time we do no one make good use of it nature. Neymar the medical can say friend not by merit. And your football reason. A fair way be no more pay the amount for the last game say let's do this last time. Yan shen Neymar ni munyam. The work yan fa work up in shen ni munyam kike. On the nature na no. Nature won't give you extra time because you will nipa bebre why I say nature no so boa wo mo and yama with time and chances with chance in buy you know who did the agro and ayana me tia manfo bi say oh oya ade wanya wo Neymar potential no hu e bia wa hwe Neymar ye go and watch Neymar wo ye complete footballer me say Neymar potential when live up to this expectation. And then there are about injury didn't want because Satan no na Neymar ewo akonye bia so of fast chef ne diet ne lifestyle or manage because or your proper superstar Mrs. na wuyi Messi Ronaldo free wa ni pa esenke boni din eye Neymar Junior o de adi agro awie mu pe ba bi mfa ne ntra World Cup no onko ye hwe just for shege reason ye mfa ne nko now there in the last time. Bro, a chum. We are there. I want to send them a beam. And 34 years and war. 34. Lewandowski, 34 no more Barcelona. 34 years, Cristiano Ronaldo no baby no. Lifestyle and on your focus, no commitment, just no hard work, and one in the talent. Your talent cannot sustain you for that long. Just a would be become. Life na you woman no amafo nya akonya bia no didi me say Neymar asem no omo bani nyina nsua Neymar de say Neymar to anu osu osu not because ni pra no osu because emre bia wonya chance pass Neymar ni mre onfa chef yemfa ne to diet so ye manage ne lifestyle there be na ne papa di akire hey ni masini anu ode ne nam ene di Neymar, we wish you all the best. A woman, but I didn't hear any and yet we are mobile any ye ankasa. What you may say, universe won't give you extra time. Say, Utam Chama, Opa was so bad from where they need you. All the best, Neymar. Bye bye.